Today, we will explore how to generate 1,000 articles with just one click using the bulk article generation feature. Navigate to the Affpilot dashboard. Click on Bulk Article Generation under the Write Info Article section. Choose the GPT version you wish to use for generating your articles. Paste your keywords into the designated field. Keep the AI-generated title option turned on if you want the AI to generate titles for your articles. Select the platform where you want your posts to be published. For this example, we will choose WordPress. Choose the WordPress website where you want to publish your posts. Select the category under which you want your post to be published. Choose the language in which you want your articles to be written. Select long post form for long articles or short post form for short articles. Turn on the schedule post option if you want to schedule your posts. You can set the interval between each post to any desired time, such as 5 minutes, 30 minutes, or any number of hours. But we will not be scheduling our posts. Choose the number of sections you want in your article. Select the number of FAQs you want to include in your article. Choose the source for images to be included in your articles. Keep the Give Image Credits option turned on if you want to provide credits for the images used. Click on Write Info Article to generate your articles. That's it. The keywords have been sent to be written by Affpilot. Now we have to wait a few moments until all articles are generated. All done. Let's check the first article. Here is the complete article created by Affpilot. Enjoy the bulk article generation feature. Thanks for watching.